Welcome back to the channel. This is Stocks with Jacob, and today I'm going to switch it up just a little bit, and instead of going over SPY and NVIDIA and some of those others, I'm just going to go over the plays that I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. These are some of the ones that have the best setups, so they're the ones that I'm going to be focusing on. First, I'm going to get through this disclaimer, and then we'll jump right into it. All right, so here we are with Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW. So on this one, we've got kind of a triple convergence coming together. As you can see, this is the Watson envelope coming down, and it should be hitting this level about, it looks like tomorrow. So with that, and with the trend line coming up here, with the 0.50 area right here, we're kind of looking like a trifecta here. So I'll be looking at purchasing a call option right at the 175 mark, somewhere in there. If it gets down to 175 tomorrow, I'll be looking at purchasing a call option and pumping it on up to the 181 area, 182, before I start scaling out of it or selling the entire position. That's the first one. The next one is going to be Boeing Company, ticker symbol BA. This one is not my favorite. It is a pretty good setup. It did just come off of this uptrend. As you can see, we have a clear rejections right here. And the next level is going to be this 0.382, which is sitting at 165.30. Although we don't have much to go off of as far as convergences go, if this Watson envelope comes down here and starts bowing down right here and hitting this 0.5 area, which looks like it could be around January 14th, January 13th, and if the stock price pulls down to that level, I will be looking to buy a call option right there. But in the meantime, I'm looking at puts and possibly scaling in right at the 171.88 area right here, and riding it down to at least the 165 zone and selling out of it. So that's the second one. The third one is going to be Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. This one is setting up on a trend line with the 0.618 area right here on the Fibonacci retracement. So this one's setting up very nicely. As you can see, it does look like it's in a accumulation phase right here. So we could definitely see this thing with a strong push up over the next couple of days. It's showing that it's going to be hitting these two convergences at around January 8th. As you know, markets will be closed January 9th. So with Friday being the return, I'm expecting a nice, maybe it's starting higher and pushing up. I'll be looking at scaling into a call option right here and scaling out of it at around that 398 zone where the 0.5 area is sitting. Now, that's based off price action. I may end up holding that position and trying to get this retracement right here all the way up to the 0.382 level, which is currently sitting at $408.27. That's Home Depot. The final play, which I'm actually already in, TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors. This one, this is actually done off of fib extension tool, not off the fib retracement. I took it off of this low right here, brought it up to this high here, and these are the levels it's given me. Now I did that this morning before market opened, and right when market opened, it pushed right up to that 0.786 level. I bought a put right in there, and I'm currently holding 5 puts on it at the moment. So Taiwan Semiconductors looking like it's going to come down. As you see in history, every time this thing gets above the Watson envelope, it pulls back. Every time it gets up there, it pulls back. So that's what I'm counting on this time. My plan is to ride it down to this 212, which is actually at the 0.618 area. Ride it down to about 212.73. I'll probably end up selling it at about 213 just to be sure. But this has the potential to keep coming down. Now, my option expires on Friday, so that's why I'm planning on scaling out of it right here at about the 213 area. But if it's looking bearish, I may end up buying a 2-week option and holding it a little bit longer. But price action will tell that. Taiwan Semiconductors, like I said, I'm currently in. The other ones, I'm not. I'm being patient, waiting for it to hit my level, hit that convergence before I do anything. So stay safe out there, guys. Make sure you set your stop losses. Don't overtrade. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.